Hey everyone, I am HVAC repair guy. I have over 17 years in the field as a technician, installer, and contractor. I also served as a Navy nuclear electrical operator, so I look at these systems from a job site perspective. Today we are taking a plain-spoken look at two air conditioners to help you pick the right fit for your home. The Amana ALXT7C and the WeatherMaker PA8TAN5. Let us start with how these units are built on the outside because the cabinet matters when it sits in your yard. The Amana features a louvered panel coil guard that gives solid protection against hail, flying rocks, or a stray weed whacker. The WeatherMaker uses a wire grill design instead of solid louvered panels. While the wire grill allows excellent airflow, it leaves the coil fins more exposed to damage from the elements or yard work. There is a clear difference in efficiency between these units. The Amana system has a 17.2 SEER rating. The WeatherMaker steps up slightly with an 18.5 SEER rating. In terms of decibel levels, they are neck and neck, with WeatherMaker at 69 decibels and Amana at 70 decibels. You will barely notice a difference in sound when standing next to them. Under the hood, both systems rely on two-stage scroll compressors that run at low capacity on mild days, then ramp up when needed. Their fan technologies differ, with Amana using a two-speed condenser fan motor to work with the compressor stages. WeatherMaker uses a single-speed condenser fan motor, so the outdoor fan runs at full speed regardless of compressor stage. The Amana model is manufactured in the United States under Daikin Global. The WeatherMaker model is manufactured in Mexico by Carrier and shares design architecture with sister brands like Payne. Installed pricing shows a noticeable gap between the two models. A complete installation for an Amana unit generally sits between $4,500 and $6,500 depending on size and location. The WeatherMaker package normally lands higher, typically ranging between $6,500 and $10,000 depending on region and options. Warranty is where these two completely part ways. WeatherMaker gives a standard 10-year warranty on the compressor and functional parts, but no special unit replacement pledge for major failures. Amana offers a standard 10-year parts warranty plus a lifetime compressor warranty and a 10-year unit replacement guarantee. If the compressor fails within the first 10 years, Amana will replace the entire outdoor unit rather than just swapping the part. If I am standing in your yard helping you decide, my honest recommendation is the Amana ALXT7C. Even though WeatherMaker gives a slight edge in SEER efficiency, Amana wins on real-world value. Amana provides superior cabinet protection with louvered panels, a more advanced two-speed fan motor, and far superior warranty coverage at a lower typical installation cost.